Happy New Year 2024. Nkumi birabinena nimbachira nimbatangira nimbakunda mnonga. Banyeta Beazine ZJ Celeb wambara numukore chamani mwe bari kureba NKORE Media from day one. Since many years back you've been watching, listening to us, supporting us, and we pray God to bless you always. Everyone ever mukama batuhirumje. Tudyaha NKORE Media kando gunumwaka musya ntujerangu. Mwebare, stay tuned. This is a different set of me, rebranded, renewed, reborn. Guess what? Chokubanza chabyona, say no. Say no, I repeat, say no to tribalism. Okwahura ya huro mahanga, echocho, I condemn that and condemn it too. Echakabiri, echaheji. Obwirobu bwono buroiji yamara na yeshongora. Ogumwaka enkumi abiri na yikirizibwa kandi aine capacity yo kutera Kacheka Stadium. Ejesha aina man go kutera Lugogo cricket oval Kampala akwaburi kimwa kintu. Why am I saying this? Iwe stama byona mbikuihire ayibikuruga na ibikuza. Noreba NKORE Media Beazine ZJ Celeb wambara erizoba nijangu ensongezi nzikugambire zirugere nizizahe zitandekere nkai. Ekikorwa cyabira nkuka obucupa kubutera roigi kutera truth kutera birungi bya Yesu kutera omuntu we no mwatiro obucupa just because he comes from Western region. Ekikorwa kikakigiye kikorwa kikushwaza kikwereka disrespect cyatiraga obutawa kitibwa kabaka wa mmwe oba wakore ekyo ngori muganda oba ngo omuntu weno wakozere kikorwa ekyo kikanchereka disrespect to the king omwe ombanto mu Uganda bitukusinga yokuhereza kitinisa but okakore kikorwa ekyo omishoge omukikari cye omurubirirwe ekyo kikorwa netikijumira kandi tukukikiriza awenche bintu nkebi biriho enkaya nezikarugasho ya roigi na azawi nkaye no omuntu wena kandi orumuna jango kintecho niho cyatandikire you are totally wrong ogwire nyanda nkushoborere kinte kikatandika ryari enyuma kitwireho nti abeshongozi bakurugo mu centro ninga shibakuruga Kampala. They have been thinking that they control and own this entertainment industry. Kujanti whenever they reach somewhere they feel like they should do what they feel like it should be done. Tewakwenda protocol, tewakwenda following order, takwenda research so we ashangaho nobwa kuba nakimuhereza ayerekanti he has authority or she has authority to change everything. Kujangu nubona akwa we have good people like Spice Diana tuinabantu nga Edikenzo. I've never heard such as things omuribu awenche binte byabiro roigi tiwo muntu wo kubanza tutakajire haranshongeji yo bucupa bw'inkuka nyenda nkwijusi nti karo kasita akachikoraho fact zamani bari kabari ekinteche azawe yakozererwe bebe kuru murebereho video ari kuja ngo akakachi ni hero yashangaho kariyuki ona mazima ekinteche wakozere chazi bebe kuru no jango ukashangaho kariyuki echabireho papo pate some of you were talking roigi akachikora papo pate yagam nkaya akachikora echabira papo pate paraso akakora truth ekintu nicho kimwe azawa kozere roigi Gravito mutoju akachikora Omega asho ya Capital FM. I'm coming with facts. I want you to just first know where are these things coming from. Bitandikire hine birugwa hine bize. Finally noreba nakabako akichwara akachikora Robros. Finally noreba azawi akozere kintecho bachikora roigi. Statement za roigi zatwire nakora taka stating aganti omweshongozo ogu yankoreche akaja abwencha abantu kumukurugo mu centro mwahika ninga kuba kushika kunu benda bari batire ngo n'umuntu arya nemirundi myinje yabeshongozo bakurugaho mu Western region bakaza mu centro hariyo event bakasitama backstage for over 5 hours and they keep quiet unkiwo noenda wija ovuruge buri kintu okore buri kimu no we are just spreading love, togetherness, respect. It's what we need. Etindi ebintu ebini biruga hiwo rukunde iwe fan womweshongozi ninga wa music entertainment ya Western Uganda. Ekindi kyereka akatengo ninga shi fear threat eri abeshongozi bitu ba Western region to Central akuba abeshongozi bitu na music ekuzire na entertainment music ekuzire ni bareba roigi have penetrated to Central and Uganda at large, East Africa worldwide akuba and booking za Dubai. So ekintechi ncherekanti Roy in fact no buchupobwe na nebindi byone bikozwe nchumwongera man. So ati wowe odgo obeno mangogo mwaka roigi na kutera Lugogo cricket over na kutera Kacheka stadium na kutera Western Uganda 2. So omweshongozi wena ogyo omu Central rukwenda kujo mu Western Uganda, you are free to come. We shall not do that. Wendo kore research mu Western Uganda tine mweshongozi baratera kachupa. Tine mweshongozi barajumira stage. And I don't expect that. Because we respect each other, we need each other, but we are talking because we demand respect. But whoever did that thing akarechero butupa akakora chi wakore ensobi. So etintimanyisa chi etintu butupa bwenkuka nikimanyisa cha ankura a development na nokura kwa entertainment industry yitu ya burenje. It means if you are an artist, if you are a stakeholder in music, stop spreading this thing chokujarangu no haranog. No. How can you be happy due to the failure oba okugwa kwa mutahi wawe? It isn't good. Nekindi okwatanisa tichikumanyisa ngo tuine kuba twerundi na hantu hamwe. Okwatanisa no kwemerera hori ningo kasinzira hori okacontributinga to your industry. Akoni mbasa kwerundana mu buri kimwiyama. But wherever you are, buri hamwe you have a platform, spread love, spread togetherness. Want to see nitwenda turebe Saimo kabaka, nitwenda tureba nikiri mukuza Kampala bavare muku staging yo shows mukachitera, nitwenda turabe shongozi baruga Kampala ba Fiki Gaza bije Mbarara bakore shows. But whatever is being spread, if you're spreading this unity or no janzazo okwahoro mu Nganda na no muki eche kintu, kindly let us stop that. Whatever je bintebe ahibitandishe nabikuza music ya Central ninga shi ya Kampala eri mu sente nyingi na investing, but konkito omu Western region n'abantu abeta kurira obwiro bwinji kugira ngo talent niye mu basise penetrating. If you get a chance okazo mu Central, spread love, spread togetherness. Ntunda ture many collabs coming through. Ntunda bije ba staging shows ezabagura vite zitagaruka kufropinga, King South tagaruka kufropinga muri Mbarara. Ntunda kwatanisa konka why ka respect someone. We authority tona sharing amugati gwihanga. Abwinti ni mwenda mugumeni mujya mwenka. Wachetegereze kintecho. Otherwise I love you so much. Ebikusinga ninkuguma ninkwereza yo mpora konka enshonga yo gucupa hati nkabirunji bya Yesu umweshonguzi wa gospel mukamucutera nkorubare ati mukana mufati no mwana nkogo. So if we get more tukafuna binje ba Reviction, tukafuna ba Bugembe binje ni baba birunji bya Yesu, ni baba ba Peterson, nico tukwetaga na naganda n'izindi regions. So kurugerizo wa fan wa Roigi, wa fan wa Western region na wakora video yona echinko bashaba otagarura mechigambo abaganda wano okora ko sabeshongozi bo mu Central akuba ntwendo bumwe twenda okwatanisa na nitunguka tuna tufunemo abwa ruhanga ni hanga ryanje Nkore Media fira Nkore love you.